So guys, welcome back. In this video, you're going to install metasploitable 2 machine. So what is metasploitable 2? Metasploitable 2 machine is an intentionally vulnerable Linux-based virtual machine designed for security training, penetration testing, and practicing exploit techniques. It serves as a target practice environment for tools like Metasploit, allowing users to explore and exploit various vulnerabilities in a controlled setting. The virtual machine includes multiple known vulnerabilities at the operating system and network services level, making it an excellent resource for learning and testing cybersecurity skills. So this is what we are going to install, download and load it on our VirtualBox. So open a browser and just search for download metasploitable 2. And you can see the one which is from Rapid7. So you can just click that metasploitable 2 from Rapid7. After that, you do get metasploitable 2 is available at some kind of information, and you can get a link to sourceforge.net. Just open this link, sourceforge.net, and this is the metasploitable that we are going to install. Download first. So just click download and this will start. So I just already installed it. I just already downloaded it. So you just have to download it. After download, you will see this kind of zip file. You can just right click and extract using any extractor that is available on your computer. Here I am using WinRAR. You can use 7-zip, which is also good. But here I am using WinRAR to extract this. You can use any of the extractor. And after extraction, you can just double click and you can see the contents. Like this is the contents. So we just want to import these on our virtual machine, on our virtual box. So I'm just deleting the zip file, and this is our main file. Okay, so let me open the virtual box. In the virtual box, you can see an option called new here. So you can click the new option and you just need to type a name. Here I am typing the name as meta2. You can type any name that you want. And in the folder section, you can select the drive that where you want to install. So I'm just selecting D drive. So in the type option, you just need to select Linux, and in the subtype option, you just need to select other Linux, and you can click finish. That's it. Then you have to go to settings by selecting meta 2 and go to settings. In the settings option, you just need to go to storage. In the storage option, you can see controller IDE. In that option, you just see an option called adds hard drive here. Just click that option and just click the add button here. And after that, you can see option like these, and you can go to your drive and your folder where you extracted metasploitable 2, and you can see a file with extension vmdk. Just select and click OK, click open. After that, you can click choose button, and that's it. Then you have to go to the network and change the network to bridge adapter, and just click OK, and you can click the start button. After that, you will see options like these. The metasploitable is starting up, metasploitable 2 is starting up, loading, please wait, something like these. You just need to wait some time, a little time, and it's loading. So it's starting all its necessary things. You can just click here to view as big, and it's done. It's metasploitable 2. We are just logged in. We are just completed, installed, and set it up on our virtual machine. You just need to click in your Kali Linux. You can start your Kali Linux. So I just started. You can start your Kali Linux and open the terminal. In the terminal, you can enter command like sudo arp-scan-l. So sudo arp-scan -l after the space. Okay. After that, press enter and enter your password, and you can see a lot of IP addresses here. So the MAC address starting with this is the MAC address. So MAC address starting with the 08 will be our target IP in the virtual box. So that means this is the MAC address starting with 08. So here is the IP address of metasploitable 2. Look at the MAC address which start with 08, which will be our IP address of metasploitable 2. You can just click here and just copy here, and you can just scan using nmap, and you will learn a lot of about nmap in the upcoming videos. So as you can see nmap, and you can just paste your IP address and this is an metasploitable tools open services where we can practice. So that's all about this video. See you in the next one.